Welcome to LandRigClearinghouse.com. I'm Kelly Snogren. Our featured listing this month is a 2,000 horsepower quick move land rig. The quick move package on this rig allows for the mast and substructure to be moved in 6 loads, and the rig in its entirety can be moved in less than 45 loads. Let's take a closer look at some of the major components of this LCI 2000, which was fabricated in 2008 and has only drilled 3 wells since new. Built in 2008, this 2,000 horsepower SCR-powered LCI 2000 DRAWWORKS has a 1 3/8 inch Lebus groove drum and Crown-O-Matic, is powered by 2 GE 752 traction motors rated at 1,000 horsepower each. The braking system has water-circulated 54-inch by 10-inch by 3/8 inch brake rims assisted by a water-cooled auxiliary brake. The DRAWWORKS is controlled using an electric SCR control panel. Instrumentation for the driller includes an AOI Advanced Driller Monitoring System, which delivers crucial drill data at a glance. The Drilling Trend Early Warning System display shows problems such as drilling breaks, flow deviations, and pressure losses, and has easy-to-read graphical tables, dials, bar graphs, or charts. Manufactured by DSI, the 147-foot hydraulically raised 1 million-pound static hook load mast has 147 feet of clear working height under the crown to the rig floor. A significant feature for this quick move mast is that it moves in 3 loads with the block and top drive cradled in the mast during the move. The main cluster of the crown block consists of 6 50-inch shivs grooved for the 1 3/8 inch drilling line. The adjustable racking board ranges from 84 feet to 88 feet with fingerboards for 4,500 meters of 5-inch drill pipe and 10 stands of 9-inch drill collars. It is complete with a working platform, floor slab, and 7-foot-high handrails. The DSI Quick Move substructure has a 30-foot working floor height with a rotary capacity of 1 million pounds and an 800,000-pound setback. The swing-up substructure is manufactured with a rigid box-type design with 4 diagonal legs to ensure stability within the swing-up type floor. The substructure can be transported simply and efficiently in 3 compact loads. The clearance under the rotary beam is approximately 25 feet. The hydraulic raising and lowering of the substructure is done with the doghouse attached, minimizing rig-up time. The 3-tank 1,500-barrel mud system consists of a shaker tank, a suction tank, and a reserve tank, fabricated on a 3-runner oil-filled skid, complete with loading hitches on both ends for tail boarding. Each tank is 7 foot 10 inches wide by 50 feet long with a roof system, a 9-foot porch containing 2 5x6 centrifugal pumps, and internal ladders to each compartment. The 4-compartment shaker tank holds the shale pit, desander pit, desilter pit, and degasser pit. The 3-compartment suction tank has 2 10-horsepower agitators and 1 5-horsepower agitator. The 3-compartment reserve tank consists of cleanout gates, suction lines, 2 centrifugal pumps, and 4 10-horsepower agitators. The mud system also consists of 3 fluid systems shale shakers, a derrick flowline cleaner with 3 10-inch desander cones and 20 4-inch desilter cones, a Swaco centrifuge, as well as a derrick vacuum degasser. The mud system is supported by 2 1,600 horsepower EWCO triplex mud pumps. Each pump is powered by 2 GE 752 traction motors. The pumps are unitized on a 2-runner oil-filled skid with loading hitches on both ends for tailboarding. 4 new Caterpillar Model 3512C engines rated 1,476 horsepower at 1,200 RPM power the Caterpillar 1750 kVA generators. The generators are 1225 kilowatt, 600 volt complete with Strader RTDs, space heater, bus bar, and cable access box. Also mounted in the gen house are 2 Gardner Denver rotary screw air compressors with dryers and 2 400-gallon vertical air receivers with 200 psi working pressure at 250 cubic feet per minute. The 5-bay IDM SCR house is equipped to control the 4 AC engine generator sets and power the 2,000 horsepower DRAWWORKS driven by 2 DC motors, 2 1,600 horsepower mud pumps, and the top drive feeder. Also included with the rig is a 500-ton can rig model 8050 AC 712, 800 horsepower top drive. The top drive has a control console mounted in the driller's cabin, complete with an advanced diagnostic system. The top drive support unit is compact with rig-specific electrical mast raising and torque interface system. See the inventory for a complete list of top drive accessories. The American Block 37 1/2 inch rotary table is complete with HMB hinged pin drive master bushing assembly. The rotary table is independently driven by a GE 752 traction motor with an NOV C700 power transfer case. The 2009 API certified BOPs are 13 5/8 10,000-pound control flow type U double ram and single ram with a 10,000-pound hydral annular, as well as a 10,000-pound choke manifold. The gas buster is transported in a lay-down position and raised by a truck for operation. The accumulator has 7 stations with 20 11-gallon bottles. The trolley rails mounted under the rig floor are fitted with an Ingersoll Rand model 50-ton BOP handling system, consisting of 2 25-ton air hoists equipped with hand-geared trolleys having 30 feet of travel for lifting the BOP stack on and off the wellhead. 2 new 500-barrel water tanks are designed for a zero-discharge system and have 2 3x2x11 centrifugal pumps with 25 horsepower motors with suction and discharge piping and have 2 in-and-out ladder rungs to top of tank. The new double-wall 12,000-gallon fuel tank and oil lube stir are fabricated on oil field type skids and come complete with fuel transfer pumps and a filtration system. The new warehouse workshop is mounted on a skid with hitches for tailboarding and is complete with storage compartments and shelves. The rig is equipped with a new 42-foot hydraulic Power Cat 3000 catwalk and 6 newly fabricated pipe racks. The rig floor is equipped with an iron roughneck, hydraulic cathead, and 1 wire line unit. Other tools include crossovers and subs, elevators, also 4 vibrator hoses, 1 rotary hose, and fire and safety equipment. The rig also comes complete with 15,000 feet of GR G105 5-inch IF drill pipe. Included is 30 joints of 5-inch conventional heavyweight pipe, 6 joints of 8 1/4 spiral drill collars, 21 joints of 6-inch spiral drill collars, and 2 4 1/2-inch saver subs. You can find a full summary of the LCI 2000's inventory and a photo slideshow right here on LandRigClearinghouse.com. Just look for SKU number 1000-338 in the featured listing for sale box. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you again next time.